Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to create custom notifications for team tasks in Todoist, the complete 2025 guide. First up, make sure you have Todoist open and you're logged into your account. This is where we'll be setting everything up. If you're not already using Todoist, it's a fantastic tool for managing your team's tasks and projects. Now that you're in, navigate to your team's project. This is what you'll be creating notifications for. The reason we do this is because Todoist allows you to customize notifications at the project level, giving you the flexibility to tailor your alerts based on each project's unique needs. Next, we'll click on the three dots at the top right of our project and select Project Notifications. This opens up a whole world of customization. Let me explain why this matters. With custom notifications, you can ensure that you and your team are only alerted about the things that truly need your attention, avoiding unnecessary distractions. Now we're in the notification settings. Here, you can set up when and why you want to get notified. For example, you might want to get a notification every time a task is completed, or only when a task is overdue. This helps us because it allows us to stay on top of our tasks without constantly having to check Todoist. Next up, decide how you want to receive these notifications. Todoist gives you a few options: email, push notifications, or both. The choice is yours, but remember, the goal is to make your work life easier, not more cluttered. Finally, don't forget to hit Save at the bottom of the screen to lock in these changes. It's a small step, but an important one. After all, you've just tailored your notifications to perfectly fit your team's needs. And that's it. You've now created custom notifications for your team tasks in Todoist. You're on your way to a more streamlined, efficient, and distraction-free work environment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.